Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we're diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of February, 2025, our system has ranked supermicrocomputer as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 64.3% since we initially suggested purchasing supermicrocomputer just 9 days ago. This translates to an average return of 7.14% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move either way. The stock has recently broken through a wide and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a stronger rate of increase. Should there be a pullback, support will now be found at the previous trend level, which was around $45.30. This may present a second opportunity for momentum trading. According to fan theory, the next potential peak could be at $63.52, which might serve as a resistance level that could be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 3.47% over that period, with expected returns ranging between negative 41.52% and negative 2.17%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative shift of 63.46% over the coming year, with potential returns spanning from negative 100% to negative 63.46%. This would correspond to a price range of $0 to $17.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline: Big movements in supermicrocomputer stock price on Friday, moving 12.44% between high and low. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 13.32% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, rising from $42.28 to $47.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.44% from a day low at $42.85 to a day high of $48.18. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 67.99% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 21 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 131 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $122.90, and the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 61.02%, or $74.99, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, is experiencing significant stock gains today, trading up over 9.5%. This surge is buoyed by a mix of factors, including mixed second quarter results that still forecast a bullish outlook for 2025, spurred by anticipated growth in artificial intelligence infrastructure and NVIDIA's Blackwell products. The company is facing a pivotal deadline on February 25th for releasing delayed financials, a move that could determine its NASDAQ listing status. This uncertainty presents a high-risk, high-reward scenario, with potential stock price fluctuations that could see shares rise to $100 or drop to $10. Moreover, ongoing bullish sentiment across the tech sector, particularly in AI-driven initiatives, continues to uplift SMCI stock prices, especially as broader indices like the NASDAQ and S&P 500 show strength. However, despite this optimism, SMCI must navigate the complexities of compliance with regulatory deadlines, which adds another layer of risk. In the short term, this volatility may attract speculative trading, capturing investor interest. In the long term, a solid turnaround could position SMCI favorably within the rapidly growing AI market, provided they successfully meet their financial obligations and capitalize on emerging trends. Ultimately, investors are facing a dual-edged sword: the potential for substantial gains against the backdrop of regulatory and operational challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 12, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 6, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 6, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a reduced grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, October 2, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Monday, September 23, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The Supermicro Computer stock shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, creating an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal observed from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average stands above the long-term average. In the event of a downturn, support is expected around the levels of $40.38 and $33.16. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on the 3rd of February, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 78.44%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 6 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 173 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $42.21. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Supermicro Computer finds support just below today's level at $42. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $40.21 and $38.41. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $5.33 between its high and low, which is a change of 12.44%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 13.02%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75.1 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $42. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chung Kenneth, who bought and sold 6,165 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 17.332. Overall, insiders purchased 3,708,835 shares and sold 5,298,326 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $46.28, reflecting a decline of 3.4%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a heightened level of risk. The relative strength index over the past 14 days stands at 80, which considerably amplifies the risk involved. A buy signal has been detected from a pivot bottom established 9 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer presents several positive indicators, yet these alone do not justify a recommendation to buy. At this moment, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock, downgrading it from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of February, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer to open lower by $1.60, starting at a price of $46.31. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.